The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2025 Volvo XC40 with flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule Caprock flush rail base rack system. This is utilizing the Thule Caprock S platform. The medium can also be used. The flush rail foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186010. Locks can be added as an additional accessory but are not required. In this system, instead of having crossbars with the platform on top, the feet integrate into the bottom of the platform. So you can think of it as having your crossbars and like a cargo basket on the roof. So you won't get the full weight capacity, but same thing if you had a cargo basket, that would be reduced after the basket is added. But this is a sleek, integrated system with multiple channels along both the top of the planks and on the sides, but also on the sides of the cross planks as well. So a great flat modular system for carrying all different types of gear. This has been just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. Well, that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.